This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Faith E. Michael, Realtor, ABR, RCert. Don't miss the opportunity to own this smoke-free, pet-free home in popular Rio Vista neighborhood in the heart of St. Pete. 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths and an open floor plan, with granite in the kitchen and an updated master bath. Completely fenced rear yard is paved for cookouts or relaxing under the mature shade trees. The shed has electric and will hold all your lawn tools, bikes, kayaks and other toys, as well as a workshop area for tinkering. Water for the lawn irrigation system is supplied by a private well, so as not to inflate your water bill. You'll enjoy the large Florida room off the 3rd bedroom, overlooking the rear yard. The roof was replaced in 2014 and the seller is providing a 1-year home warranty for your added security. Conveniently located to shopping, beaches, major highways and 2 airports, making this a fine primary residence, serene vacation spot or profitable rental.Most furniture and lawn implements are available to be purchased on separate bill of sale. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith E. Michael, Realtor, ABR, RCert at 941-356-8862.